Hi, I'm Jessi Johnson with Remax, and welcome to 2122 Old Dollarton Road in North Vancouver. Perfectly on our doorstep, you have everything from groceries to shops to restaurants, and my favorite, ski and snowboard mountains are right here. Anyways, come on inside. This rare to find townhome has tons of street parking and its own private, huge garage with a lot of ample parking. What's really cool is it's commercially zoned, so you can run your own private business from the comfort of your own home with walk-in traffic. Pretty cool. The main floor is huge with an awesome layout. It's definitely designed for entertaining. It has a lot of natural light. Checking to my left, you have your own private patio, which has its outdoor input for barbecues as well. Pretty cool. Walking into the kitchen, you've got a breakfast bar, seating for 3, dual sinks, very convenient location for the washer, dryer, gas stove, and a huge fridge, which nicely blends into a very, very bright dining room. This 2-bedroom townhouse actually has 3 bathrooms, which I think is pretty cool. To my left is a bathroom on the main floor for entertainment. And then if you follow me upstairs, I'll show you the bedrooms and 2 more bathrooms. Inside the master bedroom, it's quite large, can easily fit a queen-size bed, has a ton of natural light, its own bathroom. And the closet, the entire wall is one closet. In addition, to check out this, it's a crawl space on the side, which has a ton of storage. This place has so much storage. Awesome. To my left is a linen closet, ensuite, washer and dryer. Another bathroom with a bathtub. Come on inside. This is the 2nd bedroom, quite large, very bright, and the entire wall is yet again more closet and storage space. Pretty cool. This property has really low maintenance fees, as well as a really strong contingency fund. I'm Jessi Johnson, and hopefully you can join me Saturday and Sunday for open houses. I wish you an awesome day. Bye-bye.